This is a minimalist ultra-luxury house, surrounded by perfectly landscaped gardens and a shimmering infinity pool. Every detail is designed for 2045 living. Sleek, smart, and serene. Step closer, and the entrance reveals brushed titanium and smart glass gates with biometric access. A curved, ambient-lit driveway leads you to the house, a subtle introduction to elegance and futuristic design. The gardens balance nature and technology, with sculptural plants, reflective water features, and climate-adaptive landscaping. Every pathway and terrace invites you to pause, relax, and enjoy the harmony of form and function. And here, the infinity pool and terrace blend seamlessly with the living spaces, offering a space for entertainment, leisure, or just soaking in the view. As we enter, the double-height foyer impresses with a floating Calcutta marble staircase and sculptural lighting integrated into the architecture. Minimalist seating corners and warm ambient light welcome you in style. The formal living room opens with floor-to-ceiling smart glass, framing panoramic views. A curved modular sofa and sculptural coffee table complement the ambient lighting, creating a space for refined gatherings. The family living room exudes warmth and comfort. An L-shaped sofa, soft textures, and smart media integration make it the perfect spot for relaxation, while still maintaining ultra-luxury sophistication. The dining area is open-plan, with a sculptural lighting ceiling and panoramic glass views of the backyard. Just steps away, the kitchen features handleless cabinetry, a marble island, and AI-powered appliances, form and function in perfect harmony. The home office is minimalist, tech-integrated, with panoramic garden views and soft ambient lighting, proving that productivity and luxury can coexist effortlessly. Upstairs, the master suite is a sanctuary. The floating bed faces panoramic smart glass, bathing the room in natural light. A private balcony, sculptural furniture, and ambient lighting create a serene, futuristic retreat. The walk-in closet is fully automated with integrated smart storage. The spa-like bathroom features a freestanding sculptural bathtub, rainfall shower, and smart mirrors, every surface designed for both luxury and functionality. Each additional bedroom is unique in design, with en-suite bathrooms, warm ambient lighting, and panoramic views. Every space maintains the same futuristic ultra-luxury DNA while offering individuality. The private family lounge is tech-enabled yet cozy, perfect for media or quiet time. Meanwhile, the home cinema immerses you in cinematic experiences with minimalist seating and acoustic perfection. Finally, the gym and wellness areas combine functionality and aesthetics. Panoramic views, sculptural equipment, and integrated ambient lighting make fitness a luxurious experience. Step out onto the balcony to end the tour with a view of the backyard terrace and infinity pool, futuristic living at its finest.